everyone! Today I am actually going to cook a chicken lemak dish. So what is chicken lemak? I went to my friend's place yesterday and he had no clue what it was. Basically, a direct translation is chicken fat, but obviously we're not using chicken fat. It is a yellow color dish which base is coconut milk. It is not spicy because I actually don't put a lot of chili in it. Its core ingredients are lemongrass, turmeric and numerous spices, which we are going to be blending in the food processor. Alternatively, you can use a mortar and pestle and pound it, but the spices won't be too fine. And basically, you will be adding coconut milk at the end. You can also add soya milk or just generic fresh milk. It will have the same kind of effects. So it really depends on what you like. So here are all my ingredients, which I am going to prepare now. I bought 700 grams of chicken thigh fillets, which I have marinated with a teaspoon of salt. I will cut them into strips because at the moment they are too big. Then I will blend the spices together. So we've got numerous spices. This is lemongrass that has been chopped up, followed by dried chili. So if you want to know how to rehydrate dried chili, have a look at my sambal video. And then we've got some garlic. This is already minced up, so you can use fresh garlic if you haven't minced it yet. And this is actually candlenut. Candlenut is available in Asian groceries. This is prawn paste. Well, if you want to call it prawn paste, it's actually belacan, which I have already toasted over a hot stove. And then we've got turmeric powder. Some onions. So these are just the red onions. You are supposed to be using shallots, but because shallots is so expensive in Australia, I've replaced it with just red onions. And you've got about a 5 cm piece of fresh turmeric. So these are the ingredients that I will blend all together. And later on, I will cook it with some coconut milk. I've put 1 cup of coconut milk here, which will be boiled with some fire, well, these are not fire chilies, what you call them, bird eye chilies, and also some lemongrass to give extra flavor. So we are going to blend all the ingredients right now. All the belacan, and then this is the turmeric paste, not turmeric paste lah, turmeric powder, and then I'm just going to mix it in. So here are my blended spices that I've already mixed in with turmeric powder and the belacan. We will saute that with some lemongrass stalk and bird's eye chili. Then we will add in the chicken strips, which I have cut just now. We'll finish the dish off by adding the coconut milk last. Let's start cooking! Okay, so my dish is done and I am going to serve it today with some nasi lemak together with fried egg, anchovies, roasted nuts and a sambal ikan bilis. Or you can just eat it plain with just steamed jasmine rice.